Hey guys, Purplejoeyo here, back with another video. Past video I was explaining to you how I'll show you guys how to wire up and install these extra gauges and AFR gauge. Unfortunately, I've already done the wiring and I've just found that out, but I will show you where they go in the car, and another video, another time I will show you. I'll just start a new save and do a tutorial on how to do the engine, how to build the engine and how to build the car. But for now, this video will only be just placing the gauges in and getting a rough idea of how to work the AFR gauge. So let's get to it. So pretty much to work this AFR gauge, you do need to let the car warm up to temperature. So, well, not turn the AFR gauge, but the carburetor for the correct AFR. So I'm gonna have to do that in a different video, but to get a gist of it now, we'll put that choke on. Just get this car started for now. Handbrakes up, car start. Get the screwdriver. Yeah, it's a bit rich or lean. It's a bit lean at the moment. Too much air. So the higher the number, the more air. Lower the number, more fuel, less air. And we want to try to get it to like 14.5, something, maybe 15. So there will be a screw hidden. There you go. You just scroll down one, and it's bouncing from 15 to 16. Scroll again, down. Scroll again. Just go 2 scrolls. One full mouse will scroll down. 1, 2. Where we're at now? We're at 15.8, bouncing to 14. Let's go one more down. That's a good number there, but just to be safe, we'll go one more down. I like how it's bouncing between the 2 ends of the green. And yeah, so to make the number go higher, you need to scroll up. Yeah, so that's for this carburetor. The other carburetor has 4 screws, which can be a pain, but we'll do it. So yeah, that's the end of today's video, and like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy. Peace.